Hey guys, sorry, installing my camera. Okay, hope you see me, you hear me. Today I'm alone in this meeting. Thank you everyone who joined, and let me check that I recorded this meeting. Okay, thank you everyone. As usual, today is Sunday and today is time to gathering all together, probably remotely, probably and watching this video offline. Anyway, we're gathering here in our community here and there to decrease heart attack risk score by changing diet and lifestyle habits. And today I'm going to share updates. Usually we sharing updates of our week, what happened during the week. But today we are very close to finish our 3 months sprint or maybe 3 months iteration. And today we will, I'm going to share what were done during these 3 months. And this is the first point. And second point, we establish and we state new 3 months goal and what will be for the priority for the next 3 months plans. Okay, and let's get started. First of all, I'm happy to say that we are finished our 3 months iteration. And here, sorry for the small symbols and for the small text. I try to put all details, but believe me, our volunteers did much more, and there are no enough space here to show what we done. First of all, great thanks and huge thank you for everyone who made this possible. And right now I'm going to highlight some of the features, some of the achievements which we got during these 3 months. Everyone feeling that you put this impact, feeling that you did this work, at least you create some mock-up, at least you make some commit, at least include, you try to set up environment on your local machine. Every involvement and every energy and every contribution made today 3 months results to reality. Okay, as for marketing, we did 2 workshops. We discuss our product with seniors. We discuss our product with doctors, and we did these 2 workshops near the CVS pharmacy. It was an incredible experience, and from our internal work, we went to the external world and start real conversation, what necessary for people in the future. There are some impacts, and these impacts will be foundation for our next 3 months work, and we will adjust our product. And anyway, these workshops very help us to understand where we are right now and what necessary to do for the future. Next thing, we got five real clients. This is a huge success, guys. 5 real clients during these 3 months, and we can work with them. We can get in their feedback. We can provide them our feature and provide our subscription. If you remember, we are a non-profit organization, and we provide lifetime subscription for people who want to change their habits to decrease heart attack risk score. And congratulations, guys. Without your help, without your effort, everything will be impossible. And one more thing, in terms of marketing, we created about 10 interviews on YouTube. We created interview with the doctors, with the health coaches, with sales managers, and we continue this work because this is a kind of conversation with real people, with a professional world. Because sometimes doctors and sometimes sales managers, they have an opposite opinion on how the product could be better, how to help people. Anyway, we did this, and thank you everyone who helped with ideas about interview with our YouTube, and thank you for everyone who support us on our LinkedIn page. It was awesome, guys. And in terms of marketing, we did much more. Some of them was our learning experience on the fly. Some of these were very impactful, and only time limit and the limitation of the describe all details, and we don't want to share. We can't to share right now, but believe me, in terms of marketing, we did a very good job. Because for our community, for community of the engineers, it was a very new area where we started step by step understand what necessary to do and how we should send message about our product. From legal point of view, we prepared terms and conditions and privacy, and we work a lot with the lawyers. And more than this, our engineers, they prepared version of all of these documents in a technical solution, and you're able to listen these terms and conditions and privacy, and you're able to watch them on the website, and it's incredible. One more thing which happened during these 3 months, that the United States government approved our nonprofit, not as a regular nonprofit, but the nonprofit which provides tax exemption. This is a very good for our future donors, people who will help us with money. They will able to get some money back from United States government. This is a government program which help involve more people for in donation, and this will be helpful for our funding. In terms of development, we did not stop our development on Android application, on Python application, on .NET application. And guys, you did a very good job, and thank you so much. More than 200 commits were done during these 3 months. We from the scratch, we refactored our Python application, and some features which we implemented, not all of them showed here, but some of them. We have OTP verification, we have a feedback API, and we have PostgreSQL as a database for our application. It was great, guys. Thank you so much, and you are rock stars. Thank you. As for our user experience and UI experience, it was very good achievement too. More than 10 mockups were prepared. When I said more than 10 mockups, it means that each of the mockup show not only the one feature. Our incredible designers, they provide several options. They provide logo, they provide feature for the mobile application, for the web application, for our website. It's fantastic, guys. And we keep working on this, and thank you so much for all designers who were involved during these 3 months in our work. It was super great. Thank you, guys. And this is a short overview of our 3 months results. Once again, this is only short, and not. There are a lot of what I can share. Sometimes you probably think that there are no necessary to share something, but believe me, when we gather in all these features, all this feedback, it's like an incredible city, incredible organization from the small amount of the contribution from different piece of the world, part of the world, it began like a snowball, big snowball, which step by step going to the mission to decrease heart attack risk worldwide. Thank you, guys. Okay, and some words about our future plans and how this will be for the next 3 months. And during our first 3 months, we were involved in developing MVP version of our first product, minimum viable product. It was not maybe perfect. It was not with a brilliant architecture and all other limitations which we have with our MVP version, but it was the first thing which we did all together. Next 3 months, which will finish in 2 days, we focusing on our marketing, and of course we did not know anything about marketing. We did a very good job, and these two direction, marketing and development. When I said development, I mean web development, mobile application development, Python development, backend development, and for sure preparing mockups for user interface and for our mobile web and other needs. We continue this work. We continue work on our marketing and continue work on our user interface, user experience, mobile and web. But what will be the new during these 3 months? We're gonna start work on donation and funding. What does it mean? We are going to start talking in 2 directions. First of all, we are going to work with the people and share them message about us and get their donation, maybe, I don't know, 50 cents, maybe $1, small portion of the donation. And we will try to reach out through the social networks and through the other marketing tools. This is the first direction. Second direction, we will try to reach out big organizations, big retail stores, big companies, because each of the big company has a budget for the non-profit organization. And we will try to pretend and to help this organization invest their money to the non-profit, and we will try to show our organization as a non-profit. This is a second direction. And this is a 2 main direction which we are going to go in the next 3 months. And overall, our future plans for the 3 months: marketing, web development, and mobile development, and backend development, and donation and funding. This is a key thing. We'll see how this will work. We'll see how we will succeed or not succeed. This is a very big mountain for us, because we never had a chance to work with investors, or maybe with donors, or with the organizations. But we will try to keep learning and learning on the fly. We'll see. And what message in the end of our today meeting? Here you see the man, great man, and his project possible, the power of the possible. You can check a movie on Netflix about this man, and actually this is a climber who made the world's highest mountains in less than a year. During the 6 months, this man with a team achieved 14 peaks, and everyone to say to this man, it's impossible. It's impossible. It's never been done. One of the men in the world before this man did the same thing during the 16 years. Try to imagine 16 years he spent to achieve 14 peaks. Just for the context, in the world there are only 14 peaks which are more than 8,000 meters. Only 14, and to achieve all of them for the climber, this is a big goal. And this man did this during the 6 months. My point to us and for motivation for us that what we are doing, everyone to say maybe many people say to us, it's impossible to change heart attack risk score for worldwide. It's impossible to change insurance and healthcare system. It's impossible to do in one country rather than in another country. But believe me, everything is possible. It's only up to us, and our project show that from the scratch we can do very, very, very big things. And thank you everyone who following us. Thank you everyone who put contribution to our community. And keep moving forward, and everything is possible, guys. Everything is possible. And see you next time. Feel free to chat me through the Slack, through the WhatsApp, and through the LinkedIn or other channel which you will want to find, email, whatever which works for you. Thank you for your hard work during 3 months, and let's start our next iteration, and see you next Sunday. Bye bye, guys.